Hello dear children, today we are going to learn landscape or its another name is scenery. In this drawing we always focus on the realistic things, means mountains, trees, water, river and many more. And we always color this drawing in a realistic way. For this activity children, we need pencil, black color sketch pen, A4 size drawing sheet, oil pastels and tissue paper or cotton or waste cloth. Let's enjoy the activity. Children, now we are going to draw sunset scenery. So first we will draw image of the sheep and coconut tree. You can use pencil first, then border with sketch pen. So children, see, first I am here drawing one ocean like this. For this coconut tree, we will draw like this U, then wide V, then V. Okay, then we will draw one sheep or yacht here. And we will draw one line which is behind it. So children, let's start the coloring. Now children, for this sky and the water, we are going to give this red, orange and yellow shades. So we are using this lemon yellow, medium yellow, orange, vermilion hue and primary red. Okay, so first we will draw sun with the help of this yellow color. Now children, step by step we will give the color. First up I am going to give this yellow color. Children, see, I am using this color horizontally. I am having such a type of small pieces of this particular colors. If you are having your old colors, you can use that colors also. Now I am using this color. It is medium yellow. Then I will use this skin color. Then I will use this orange. Then this vermilion hue. And at the end, this red color. Now children, I will use tissue paper and going to merge these colors in each other. So first we will make small circle like this. If you are not having tissue paper, you can use cloth or cotton also. And children, we are now going to merge on this sun like this. Slowly we will merge color in each other. Okay, so like this I am going to merge this whole area. After this merging, children, I am using little black color here and giving here. Very lightly I am giving this color and again I am giving this red color on it. Okay, so we will get dark tone of the red and then we will merge it with cloth or tissue paper. After this children, we are going to give same shading but in a opposite way. So now I am using this yellow color down. Then I will use this medium yellow. Then we will use this orange color. And at the end we are going to use this vermilion hue color. Okay, so now I am not using red color here. Okay children, so like this I am giving colors, and with the help of this cloth or tissue we are going to merge the color. After merging this down portion, children, we are going to show little cloud effect here. Okay, so how we will show little cloud effect? First I am going to use this very lightly color, children. Only I am going to touch it, not going to feel any color here. Only like a cloud I am going to give the effect. Little bit black I am using here. And then again I will use this red color on it and give cloud effect. For that cloud effect I am only scribbling red color on this black color. And then little orange I am giving up. So I am keeping this tissue in my finger and only I am merging it. To show this sun little bright, I am using this white color, children. Now I am showing little cloud here with red color. Here we are going to give wavy effect. So for that I am using this primary red and only drawing line. Okay, and then I will use this vermilion hue. Then this yellow. So it will give us a water effect. Okay children. Now here I am going to show the brown color stone, not perfect black color stone. For that I am using red first. Then I will add this black color in it. Okay, and then merge it. Now children, this trees, these two trees and this ship, we are going to feel this black color, but little bit I am going to keep light tone here. Little grey color also you can use like this, and here I am giving the grass effect. Then children, this coconut leaves, for that we are going to draw like this lines, so it will give us a coconut trika effect. Now children, after these coconut trees, this yacht or ship we are going to color. Okay, so for that first we will feel the color properly. And now sun is from this side, so we can give little grey effect from this side. Okay, here we did opposite, here we are going to do from this side and then merge it. Now I am using my fingertip. You can use fingertip or cloth or anything. That. Okay, here also. Now children, after completing this much, we are going to give shadow effect. For that I am using this color, black it is, but I am using it very lightly, and like this we can give shadow effect. Okay, and here also we can show the shadow effect. Okay, and little bit I am using this grey color in it. the shadow will merge properly. At the end, children, I am going to draw one border to this paper with the help of permanent marker or with the help of this oil pastel. See children, our sunset scenery is ready. So enjoy this activity.